Hi guys, and welcome to the Borderlands Bakery channel, and today we're going to be going over the Sugar Art 3.0 gel bundle. I love the Sugar Art products. That's not a surprise for those of you who have been around for a while. And I've been using their gels since they were released. Previously, I had been using the Master Elite Powder Food Coloring, which is great for things like French macaron. The biggest challenge with the powders, I feel, is there is a bit of a learning curve. So if you get even the tiniest speck of powder anywhere and you drop some water on it, or you like wipe your counter, it will activate that powder and get color everywhere. Or if you accidentally get some on your face and you sweat a little and you wipe, you might end up with a color mustache. Definitely hasn't happened before. I'm going to swatch the Gel 3.0 color bundle, and I'm only going to use 1 drop of gel color in about 2/3 of a cup of icing. You're going to see me mix 1 shade of the color. Here's the thing with the gels, the color builds on itself. And if you use less color per batch of product that you're coloring, whether that be buttercream, fondant, or royal icing, it's going to come out lighter. The more gel you use, the more vibrant it'll be, and the more like true to the label it'll be. Today, I'm just going pretty light, but you'll see even with that 1 small drop in about 2/3 cup of icing, it really colors it quite well. I do have a coupon code, so if you guys want a discount on the Sugar Art order, please use my code Borderlands at checkout for a sweet deal. Perfect for I'm going to mix all my colors in 1 bowl today. It's not going to make a big difference if I don't wash it in between color swaps. I'm going to repeat that with the rest of the colors. I'm not going to bore you with all of them, but I will finish that up. We'll meet back here and I will show you what they all look like when they're done. I'm going to be using a coupler today and 2 tips. I'm going to use a 104 and 101. We do, or 103 and 101, and we offer the 101s on our website, so check it out. I have a turntable so that I can turn and decorate my flowers with more ease. And because I'm using a coupler, I can just swap out the icing that's in here without having to like use multiple bags. I can just use this 1 main bag and then swap out the color of the icing as well as swap out the piping tips. So this is the Sprout color. Now that we've made the leaves, the big leaves, I'm going to put on the smaller petal tip to make the centers. I'm going to be showing you all the colors now, and this is sunflower, keeping in mind that I only put one small drop in about 2/3 cup of royal icing. Look at how pretty this color is. Sprout. This one surprised me. Flamingo. This is a great coral as well if anyone wants coral. And then we have periwinkle, another favorite. I love this color, especially as nail polish. So seeing it perfectly done in a gel color makes me very happy. Next, we have leaf green, knockout pink. This one's kind of like a fuchsia Barbie pink-ish, not quite as bright. This is so pretty. Stormy. You can get a very deep blue with this if you add more. And butterscotch, absolutely beautiful for fall. This one, I didn't clean the piping tips in between changing the colors, so that's why it's got a little bit of stormy in this one. This was the most surprising, these three were the most surprising colors for me. Cobalt looks great, a very solid blue. You could tone it to probably a very, very pale sky blue or a very, very deep, bright blue, depending on how much color you add. Stone, what a stunning neutral / pastel color. Rouge, oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Like, okay, sorry. I love you. You have your time and place, but these three, obsessed. Frosted iris, are you kidding me? This is all I need for fall. Maybe, I mean, maybe we put a butterscotch in there and like a stormy. Oh my gosh, stop. This is it. This is the color palette of the season, you guys. Okay, hold on. Let me grab. So now, this is absolutely my favorite color combo of the Gel 3.0 set. And I don't think we're stocking all of these, so grab these over at the Sugar Art, and don't forget to use our coupon code. Again, I love this color combo. Sorry, guy. So these are the color swatches for the Sugar Art 3.0 Gel Bundle. These are my favorites, these 6. And these brighter colors have their time and place, but for fall, I am so feeling these 6 right here. So at the top, we have Stone, Rouge, Butterscotch, Leaf Green, Flamingo, Sunflower, Knockout Pink, Cobalt, Sprout, Periwinkle, Stormy, Frosted Iris. Stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and that the swatches gave you a better idea of what the colors look like from Gel 3.0 Bundle. If you have any additional questions or curiosities, please drop them for me in the comment section. And please don't forget to use our coupon code at checkout. The code is Borderlands. And I also recently came out with my first cookbook, Matcha Meets Macaron. So if you'd like to purchase that, you can find it in the description box as well. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.